So I am repotting this Anthurium Clarinervium. It's been in the same medium since I bought it, so this is still the sphagnum moss it came in that it was propagating in when I bought this back in January. But as you can see, some algae has formed in it, so I am trying to give it a new medium to be in, and I'm using this Aroid soil mix that I got from Victoria, Atlanta. And let me open it up. It's $12. They have a physical shop in Atlanta, but they also sell this on their website. And the only thing about this is $12, which I think is a good price, but the only thing is shipping is expensive. It costs as much as the product, so that's the only thing, but I think it's worth it because it's made with sustainable materials. So I'm going to pour some in here so you can see what it looks like. So I don't think I'm going to need that much, but that's what it looks like. And so yeah, this was made of cocoa coir, coir bark, pine bark, worm castings, charcoal, and rice hulls. So I think this would be great for my Anthurium Clarinervium. And this is the pot that I'm using. It's a ceramic pot. It does have a drainage hole, but it does have a built-in saucer. So the thing is though, I did a drain test on this one, and what I found is that it does drain the water completely, but it sits at the saucer. So it would have some water left over at the bottom, which is fine, but I'm still going to put some lacquer at the bottom so that it would help with the drainage and that the plant don't sit in water. So let's put that there. Like this. And this one, slowly take it out of I'm just gently removing the sphagnum moss off the roots. The moss might not completely come off, that is okay, because I don't want to damage the roots. I'd rather leave some sphagnum moss on than damage the roots. I cut off a root. I'm supposed to be paying attention, but I'm not. Okay, so let me just okay, so the roots overall look healthy, but I'm going to wash it before I pot it up, just to be sure. So that is the root system, but I'm going to wash it first. So now that I have this pot with the lacquer inside, I am going to add this soil. So I do like giving it a layer so that the roots have somewhere to grow more into, kind of like that. And here's the plant with the roots washed out. And I think I'm going to remove this one because it's dying off. So I'm just gonna take that one off. And I put the plant, so I'm gonna make sure the top of the root ball sits like an inch below the rim of the planter, and then I just backfill it. like to do is hold the plant at its base and then give it a little bit tap tap so that I make sure, like, so that is to ensure all the corners are filled up. Looking like, and now I am going to water this. And I'm just going to water it very slowly.